Okay, so Dave and I spun the honey, and this here I just wanted to show everyone how cool is this. This was just some cones with honey cones full of honey, and look how the bees are working that. And then there will be nothing left. It will be all dry wax, which I'm going to use to make some candles. So thank you, bees. Okay, it's been about an hour, maybe even an hour and a half. Move, Millie. Look at that. See how the pile has gone down? A lot. There's a lot on the ground. Move, Millie. You get stung on the nose. How wonderful these girls are. Look at that. Cleaning everything up beautifully. Okay, so another half an hour's passed. Wow, look at that. Dried up. All dry. It's okay, girls. Alright, I won't hurt you. And these are just some, oh my gosh, it was probably about 20 of these bees that were drowning in honey. They just drank so much honey that they kind of got drunk and they were drowning. So I saved them. I tipped them out of the little bowl, and look, there's another bee that came to kind of rescue this one and clean it up and help it out. And I'm amazed at these bees. I really am, and I'm like so close to them. There's another one there, and there's all of those ones that I've kind of tipped out. They're still wriggling a little bit, and the other bees are going to come in and suck out all that honey out of them and help them out. Isn't it amazing?